dito, pag-ibig lang ang asahan ko sa mga kayo. Kasi because righteous, law-abiding, God-fearing. Wala akong problema sa inyo. Itong mga kriminal, magusto rin nilang style ko, pero may sarili silang agenda in life. They have their own program of how to survive in this planet. Sometimes, ito yung, basta hindi lang, huwag nating alam kay Mayor. So, they go selling shabu, killing people. You know, kung hindi ko ginanon ang Davao, I had to instill fear. Then after all, in the hindsight, Machiavelli was really correct when he wrote The Prince. It is not enough, which was really a truism in my lifetime, na pag you govern a society, your elected leader or appointed, whatever, at hindi ka mahal ng tao, wala silang respeto at hindi takot, wala talagang mangyari. There must be fear that if you do wrong, you'll just have to pay for it.